After 3 years of traveling in our Promaster van, we've been really happy with the decision of buying a used van and then converting it into a camper van.
We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van. This is our 2014 Ram Promaster. It's a 3500 one-ton chassis. It's a 159-inch wheelbase, and now it's been our camper van that we've been able to go anywhere and everywhere.
So one of the things I really wanted in our van was a farmhouse sink and a butcher block countertop. We got ours at IKEA. To make it easy on our van build, we bought a stock cabinet from Lowe's, and that made it 24 inches deep, which was a nice workspace. We also saved the cutout from our butcher block on top of our sink to have more counter space when we needed that. We bought a 110 fridge, so it's a dorm style fridge. It has to run on the inverter. One of the things we love about our van build is the fixed bed for the large garage and for the storage that it has. We also made it into a futon, so it folds up and we can sit facing out the back, and we can also access some of the storage right underneath the bed. And then to get easy access, we put in a slide out step with 500-pound slides to make it easy to get in and out of the bed.
One of the things that was really appealing to me was to have a shower. Obviously, there's not a lot of space in this van. To be able to have a shower is usually a luxury. This is a seat, a little nice extra bench seat here. Underneath that is a cassette toilet. And underneath that is a 24 by 27 shower pan that drains into our gray water tank. And a shower curtain then goes all the way around. It does 180 degrees on these hooks to be able to keep the water inside, force all the water into the pan, and shower.
And one extra thing that we love about our van as well is the bench seat. The bench seat not only stores our batteries, an inverter, and a few other kitchen items, it's a great place to sit and take in the views.